Look, all water. Say all gone. Look at mommy. Say all gone. Where was the sprinkler, Daniel? Where is it? Where's the sprinkler with the water? Where'd it go?
What? Is it broken?
You want to go fix it? Oh. Yeah. You want to go fix it? Where's your JJ? Go give him kisses. Oh.
Boy.
He's dangerous with that.
You want Daddy to open it, Maddie?
Daniel.
Huh?
Oh, don't hit your sister. Oh. Be careful.
Tell Mommy.
What's wrong, Maddie?
Tell her. Tell her.
Is JJ here? Huh? You see any bugs?
No. Oh, what happened? It broke.
Well, Maddie, go tell us what.
Oh.
Oh no, Daniel! Oh no! Get it, bud! Get it! Get it! Get it from JJ! Look at his face. You silly.
Oh, buddy, got it.
What's he doing, Maddie? Oh no. A little hit.
Tell him, Maddie. Tell him.
You need to pad that, Brad, so they don't hit their head. Yeah.
And Daddy have the ball?
Throw it to Daddy.
Throw it. Thank you. Daniel, look. Look, Daniel.
Where's the ball?
Right to the left.
Oh no! Kick it, Maddie. Kick it with your feet. Yay!
That's enough.
Oh, I think she's gonna be on the sidelines with her mama.
Get the ball, Daniel. No.
Look at her hands.
What are you looking for? See the bugs?
Oh, God.
Bud,
No.
get over here,
Put that in
boy.
your mouth. That's nasty.
Madeline, what
Yuck.
you doing?
Yuck.
What you see?
Ooh.
Daniel, where are the bugs?
How'd he get wet? Is that sweat?
Brad,
Uh-oh. Telephone.
say hello.